In the fifth element, the four main supporting characters around Lilu each represent one of the four elements. In the first scene of the film, the professor translates the hieroglyphs on the temple wall: water, fire, earth, air, four elements around the fifth. I believe this not only refers to the four element stones, but also the people that help support Lilu in her journey to the temple. Father Vito Cornelius represents earth. A priest of an ancient order whose sole purpose is to protect the earth and all life on it. The Diva Plava Laguna represents water. Plava Laguna means literally blue lagoon, and we find her performing on the planet of Floston, which is almost 100% water. Ruby Rod represents air, a radio star constantly broadcasting live on air. His non-stop flowing speech pattern makes him quite literally a windbag. And Corbin Dallas represents fire. We are first introduced to Corbin on a smash cut immediately after a giant ball of fire fills up the screen. However, Corbin has a lot of character development to go through before he can become the fire needed to help Lilu. Though right from the start, we can see the imagery and potential for fire all around him. He starts his day by literally looking for a match to light a cigarette. He finds two empty matchboxes along the way before finally finding one with a few inside. Then later in the film, after he hits rock bottom, he tries to light two more matches, both burn out on him, leaving one match behind. In the temple at the end of the film, Corbin is given his final opportunity to prove himself. Nobody else has that fire that is required to open the stone. Ruby, who earlier dismissed Corbin as having no fire, now looks to Corbin. And Corbin has that last match to bring the fire. I think it's a nice framing device for his character and a nice full circle use of matches as a metaphor for his development. Also, he wears the color that represents fire.